Sunday afternoon. Meron pa tayong mga errands na hindi nagawa. This weekends lang yung mga time na we can accomplish yung mga side task natin. Kasi Monday to Friday, grabe ang work. Pampagasulit tayo ngayon. Hahabol tayo sa current price ng gasolina kasi magtataas na ulit to by Tuesday next week. What's up guys? My name is Erwin and I'm here to share you guys yung errands for today, this Sunday. This Sunday, papakarwa sana tayo ng car but unfortunately umulan bigla. So, ayun. But siguro I'll take my chance next week. Kasi may oras lang ako magpa-car wash during weekends. But unfortunately, very unstable yung weather. Kanina lang medyo mainit but biglang ulan. Tag-ulan na actually. So usually pagka rainy season, nag-start na yan by June onwards hanggang October. Most likely November pa nga. Kaya ngayon magpapagas na lang muna tayo kasi habulin natin yung current price ng gasolina ngayon. Kasi by Tuesday, grabe mag-hike na naman ng gasolina. Ano naman? Ang laki ng tinaas ngayon, grabe. 5 pesos yata ngayon. 4 to 5 pesos na. At least 4 point something. So nagpapa-gasolina ako sa Petron. XES lagi. So ayun. Pasensya na guys at actually nag-start pala ako mag-vlog kasi hindi ako masyado camera shy ako to be honest. So I'm still building up my courage to speak in front of the camera. But hopefully time masanay din ako. Honestly, I really want to document my life. Document what's happening or what's my day looks like. Kasi I want to treat filming like it's my diary. To be honest, at first medyo wala akong interest but as time goes by na-realize ko parang I want to start creating something kasi eventually once na tanda na tayo, mapapanood natin yung video and ma-realize natin, oh ganito pala yung mga ginawa ko nung ganitong time, ganitong araw, ganitong date, ganitong year. Ayan, mapagas tayo dito sa Petron card. Boss, XCS full tank na. Abulan tayo sa gasolina, laki ng tinas ano? Martes pa kaya nga, nahabol na. Okay. Sagad mo na boss ha? Sagad mo na. Sagad na natin. Sagad? Ayun, so remember to turn off the engine. Gasolina. So actually meron pa tayong 1 port remaining but actually hindi ko naman talaga sinasagad yung gasolina ko to the lowest point. Gusto ko mag-start ng content about cars, slightly, clothing, or ano sir? Bad cash. So my gas price 1686.36. So papacar wash na tayo but ayun nga. Almost 2 weeks na ko lang car wash sa yan. By the way, I'm driving Honda Civic. Honda Civic 2005 Dimension. So I'll make a review for my car separately. Regarding the niche topics, honestly number 1 yung automotive but To be honest, hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-expand yung knowledge ko kasi hindi naman ako totally knowledgeable sa cars. I only know some basic points. I might get criticized kasi it's very way limited. Okay. Thank you, sir. Spare change. Bawang nga pala tayo ng coffee. Actually, this is iced coffee. Getting back to the topic muna. Regarding sa niche, I really want to start vlogging muna. Siguro I'll start vlogging muna with my current car. I'll do some reviews. Sa tong car na to has a lot of headaches when I got it. Thankfully, I got the help sa mga tropa. Tinulungan ako ng mga ibang tropa na magkaroon ng knowledge about the maintenance, the repairs. Eventually, over time, dun ako natututo pag nalalaman ko yung mga sira ng auto. So, yung mga basic na nasira, mga basically kailangang tingnan before ka bumiyahe. Check yung mga oils, yung mga tubig, coolants, mga liquids na kailangan tingnan. Or natuto naman tayo ng mga basics over time through that year. So yeah, thankfully nag-gain naman tayo ng knowledge. Currently residing here by the way sa Makati. Dito ang hirap ng mga daan. Daming one way. So kailangan mong umikot pa sa alternate way para makapasok. So guys, full tank na tayo guys. Dito sa bandang Buendia, Mayapis, marami nga pala dito ng MMDA. Grabe, magkaroon ka lang ng sumablay ka lang ng lane, automatic ka, tataga na yan, patatawagin ka. Talking about Buendia, Cash and Carry, need to be very careful. We're now back home. Dito tayo sa parking. So this is a Honda Civic Dimension, year 2005 model. Isang basahing sakyan. Papa-arwa sana ako, kaya lang ulan. So, makapagpagas na lang tayo. At least nahabol natin yung current price ng gas before mag-price hike next week. So, ayan. Typically, all stock lang itong sasakyan. So, wala pa tayong modifications. But internals, meron naman tayo napalitan like full exhaust. Shoutout po to kay Jomar Exhaust. Siya yung nagpalit ng ating exhaust, which is chambered muffler. So I really like how it came kasi sobrang ganda ng tunog, buo yung sounds niya. So nag-iisip yung sasakyan ko and wala tayong plan pa para mag-upgrade or kumuha pa ng another car since I'm currently living in a condominium space where limited yung parking. So 1:1 yung condo unless may option ka kumuha ng isa pang parking, but additional rental space yun, which is expensive or too much for me. So siguro soon if makaluwag-luwag and magkaroon tayo ng extra budget, I really want to grab one Honda Civic SIR, which I really want, or Civic Bigote but B-Series. Ayun, but hopefully very soon. Shoutout kay Level Up Garage, si Bro Kevin, yung owner ng Level Up Garage. Siya yung in charge to do the maintenance of my car. He's a Honda specialist, so he knows everything about Honda, specifically Civic, Jazz, anything about all model lines ng Civic, Jazz, CT, lahat ng components, mechanical wise, he can do the repair, all the complications na you know. So shout out Bro Kevin. We'll see each other soon. Congrats sa new space ng garage mo. Soon lilipat tayo dito sa parking na to, my next space. Good thing about this is flat yung surface niya, and the reason why is itong parking dito slot would be provided already by the owner of the parking. So as you can see, medyo slant din yung parking slot ko. So at least on that advantage. So for home service, if kailangan, madali na kasi madali siyang ma-jack. Ayun guys. Peace.